Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use the color of green, and the next one is blue. Kids, the next one is black, yellow color, and the last one is red color. First we are using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cow, C for cat. And the next one is D. D for dog and D for doll. Kids, now we are using again green color, and the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. G for gorilla. And the next one is H. H for hand. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is I. I for ice cream. Kids, now we are using the color of blue. Now we are mixing the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. The alphabet of J. The next one is K. Kids, now we draw and coloring the alphabet of L, and the next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange. The next one is P. Now we are using blue color and draw the alphabet of Q. And the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. And the next one is S. S for sun. Now we are draw the alphabet of T. The next one is U. Now we draw V, and the next one is W. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk, and the last one is Z. Z for zebra. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Now we are using the color of black. Kids, now we are using the color of black and draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1, and the next one is 2. TWO, 2. And the next one is 3, the number of 3. The next one is 4, FOUR, 4. Now we draw 5. The next one is 6. The next one is 7, SEVEN, 7. Now we draw the number of 8. And the next one is 9, NINE, 9. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The last one is 10. The number of 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching.